Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to create a basic racing game in Flash. Today I'm going to be creating it in Macromedia Flash 8, but you can also do that in Adobe Flash. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to create a new document. In our case we're going to be creating Flash document, so you can choose this option right here. Boom. Next thing, you will have this blank sheet of paper popping up, and we will refer to it as a stage. Okay, so next we do, in order to create a racing game, we want to create 3 new layers. So you can do that by simply clicking this button, which is insert a layer. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, now you have 4 layers in total. Okay, when you've got your 4 layers, you can name them just like I did, so it's gonna be easier for me to understand on what layer I'm working at time. So defaults, actions, stepper, and the car. Okay, so next thing you want to do is you want to go to defaults there. So you press the layer, and then you press the first frame, so it will become black, and then right mouse click it. And yeah, one little thingy, I'm really sorry, but it is Russian. Yeah, I know. So I'm just gonna translate it to you. So you press this button, which is actions. Okay, actions. Or you can also press F9, but just press this, it's gonna be easier for you to understand. Okay, so here you'll get this actions window popping up, and here's what you want to insert in it. There, you can get this code from the description box below. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is to insert another code and actions here. So press on actions layer with the left mouse click, then choose the first frame so it becomes black, then right mouse click it and choose actions again. Sorry about that, but it is Russian. Okay, so choose actions there. Okay, another one, code you want to insert is that. Okay, so after you've inserted your code here, that one, you close up this window by simply pressing this button right here. Then you select stepper layer. Wait, let me just go down there, stepper layer, and frame number 1, so it becomes black again. Then you draw a little circle right there. Oops, sorry. First of all, you have to, okay, so there's a stroke color right here, you see? So you click it and then you select a no stroke color. Okay, it's really important there. Then you go to the fill color and you select a white color right there. Then you, oh sorry, you have to use a rectangle tool, which you can just simply press it on a tools panel and it will pop up there, or you can also press R on your keyboard, it doesn't really matter. Okay, then just drag out a little box there, but you're not really going to be able to see it because the font is white. So okay, then you press V on your keyboard to select the selection tool again. You can also do that with the tools panel, it doesn't really matter. Okay, then you select your box, there it is, and right mouse click it, then modify into the symbol, movie clip, yeah, this is a movie clip by the way, and the registration point should be the first one, and you will simply name it stepper. Okay, there it is, there we have it. Okay, now you wanna, what you wanna do, you wanna drag this little box right here, you wanna drag this to the corner, there it is, and leave it alone. Okay, now you want to go to car layer, which is the last one, and press on the layer, which is the car, and press on the first frame, so it becomes black again. Then you want to make your car, which is, you can be really creative with it, but I'm not going to be because I don't really have a lot of time. So I'm just going to drag out the black box. There it is. No, it's way too big. Okay, it's good enough. Then I'm going to go ahead and modify it to the modify it into the symbol. Yes, I get it. Okay, there you press it and you type in car. Okay, movie clip, registration point is the same. Okay, Oh, oh, that means I have something already. Wait, let's see in the library. Yeah, that's right. It's right there. I already have a block. Yeah, because this is not the first video I'm doing. Okay, so you just simply make a car, and then you press modify it into the symbol, movie clip, name it a car, and a registration point is the same. Okay, then what I want you to do that. Oh my God, what I want you to do next is to press on it. Simply click on it. Oops, only once. So once, and then this in the properties inspector, there's gonna be this instance name tab. So you have to type in car1, enter, enter. Yeah, that's right. Okay, now I'm pretty sure we are done. So all you have to do is to press Control Enter on your keyboard to test the movie, and we tested, and I fail again. What the hell? Oh my God. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I know what my mistake is. So then you close this window up. Okay, there you close it. You go to Stepper again. There it is. You select it, and yes, the instance name is supposed to be Stepper as well. Okay, and one more little thing I forgot is to okay, again, you press on the stepper there, right mouse click it and select actions. There it is. I don't really know why is it there, but just press it as actions. There. Okay, that window will pop up again, and here's what you need to paste. What just happened? There. So here's what you need to insert again. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in the description box again as well. Okay, then you close it up, and I'm pretty sure right now we are finally done. Okay, again, Control Enter on your keyboard to test the movie, and yes. Oh my God. Oh wow, you can't even imagine how hard it is. Okay, then just close it up again. We're almost there. Just simply click on the stage a few times, and okay, so if you're doing it in Adobe Flash, then you shouldn't have any problems, but if you're doing it in Macromedia Flash Professional 8, then you will have to change the speed of frames per second. So optionally it's 24 on Adobe Flash, but here it's 12, so that's why it's so slow. So here we're gonna go ahead, click on the stage, and on Properties Inspector, we're gonna select the speed, frames per second, 24, enter. Okay, now we finally test the movie. Control Enter, and yes, we get it. I know it doesn't really look good, but if you draw something out, it will be pretty cool. Okay, so now you see I've created a new layer which is called the ground. It has nothing on it right now, but we will add something right now. Okay, so right now you draw on your ground, so I'm gonna do it myself, and I'm not gonna show you how I do it. Okay, so there it is. I've drawn it. It's not really hard to do, so you can be as creative as you want. Yeah, and by the way, I redrew the car if you noticed. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna convert it to the movie clip. So again, we select the whole thing, we right mouse click it, modify into the symbol, movie clip, registration point is the same, and let's call it a ground. Whoops. Ground. There it is. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna give it an instance name there in Properties Inspector. So it's gonna be rain there. Here you see it, and now you go to actions. As you noticed, I don't really have an A here because I deleted the whole code. Now there's more complicated code. Now I'm gonna post the whole one in the description box. So there it is. It's became more complicated and bigger. And now again we test it, and see, now you get racing game. Woo! It's pretty cool, eh?